Today we're talking about a product, MURO NATURALE, a lime-based product with 169 colours, a totally smooth product, very pleasant to touch and which contains MICA, a mineral providing the reflections of nature. As always, our work begins with the application of primus.
Tutta la lavorazione comincia con l'applicazione del primus.
Composing the colour is very easy. We take the chosen colour and create it with our additives.
Creiamo con i nostri additivi.
Now primus is dry, we let the product rest a little bit, and now we can proceed with the application. After spreading it for a few meters, we can use the spatula in the opposite direction to remove any imperfections. We've applied the product on the whole wall, but it's very wet. When it becomes opaque, it will be time to smooth it, and then we'll show you.
Sarà il momento per andare a lisciarlo, poi vi facciamo vedere.
After 1.5 or 2, we begin to see that there are some areas where it lightens up, and this is the time to make it more compact and make the wool smooth, uneven, slightly stained, in short, a natural wool.
E otteniamo questo muro liscio, non uniforme, leggermente macchiato, insomma un muro naturale.
This waterwear spraying is used to soften the product and allow to smooth it uniformly. The little dots we see are the MICA dots, which can be spread while compacting, so it should be smoothed where the marks are left.
Noi andiamo a compattare, potremo trascinare qualche pezzetto di mica, occupiamoci di lisciarlo lì dove ha lasciato un segno.
The wool begins to dry. We see the lighter parts, they are still wet. It's time to take our glove now and polish.
Queste parti sono ancora bagnate, magari lasceremo per ultime. È il momento di prendere il nostro guanto e lucidare. Questo prodotto si lucida con il nostro guanto. Vediamo, Andrea.
Very easy. The wool is actually finished. We can leave it this way if we want it to become opaque. If we want it to be shiny, we can do other things, but above all we can draw lines. Now Andrea will show us how easy it is.
Adesso Andrea ci fa vedere quanto è facile.
We've finished the lines, but what I want you to see is the MICA powder that begins to stand out now, giving the sensation of a natural wool. Now it's really drying. This will be the final colour, whereas this is an intermediate colour, almost dry. If we want it smooth and more shiny, we can use our spatula and smooth it even further.
Più liscio e più lucido, possiamo passare con la spatola e lisciare ulteriormente.
Now, a little tip for connoisseurs. This is the moment when your spatula makes the right sound. Let me hear how it sounds.
È musica, questa è la musica della spatola quando il prodotto è veramente liscio.
It's music. This is the spatula's music when the product is really smooth. 2 hours later, it's homogeneous and completely dry. The surface is very smooth, pleasant to the touch. A MURO NATURALE with these glares and flash of lights.
Dentro questi bagliori, questi cenni di luce.
Now we can see the finishes that can be applied. We divide the wall into 4 parts to see the 4 different possibilities.
E vediamo le 4 diverse possibilità.
So, here we leave it natural.
Così vediamo le sue prestazioni.
Here we use savon d'eau. We apply it with a sponge, an absolutely natural product, a Marcel soap only. We use just a small quantity. This product gives a completely transparent coat. Slightly shiny, but above all, it's very pleasant to the touch.
Questo dà una copertura, un riempimento totalmente trasparente, una leggera lucidità, ma soprattutto è piacevolissima al tatto.
Here's MURO NATURALE, absorbing the right amount of soap needed as a barrier against possible stains, dirt or water.
Una barriera a eventuali macchie o sporcizia o un po' d'acqua che dovesse andargli sopra.
It smells so clean. This cleaning operation makes the wall even more shiny. It's done when the soap is dry, and it also provides good water repellency. The second possible finish is Cera del Vecchio, which has the same natural features, but also greater protective capacity, and it's more shiny.
Ma ha una maggiore capacità protettiva e lucida.
Let's watch Andrea. We always apply just a bit. There's no need to abound with it, as the product is absorbing. Very easy. Now another coat. Cera is more shiny, more water repellent and absolutely natural. If you need a real water protection for a shower, a kitchen, then we'll use vetro.
Una doccia, una cucina, allora dobbiamo ricorrere a vetro.
In this case diluted in 8 parts of water and 2 parts of vetro for the first coat, because it's a highly absorbing product. Here the product is completely absorbed, and it acts as a protection for the following application of vetro.
Applicazione di vetro.
Now we're ready to apply a coat of pure vetro and see the final effect of this finish.
E vedere l'effetto finale anche di questa finitura.
We see it doesn't absorb any longer because there's already an isolation coat.
Preventiva di isolamento.
So we put vetro on MURO NATURALE only when it's really necessary, because it loses its natural features. Vetro is a transparent resin, and this ensures total resistance to water.
Trasparente. E questa dà garanzie di totale resistenza ad acqua e a qualsiasi altro agente.
Whereas here we have cera, which is a natural product, beeswax mixed with soaps, which has a very good water repellence. But we see there's a small absorption, therefore it's not recommended for a shower enclosure.
qualche piccolo assorbimento, quindi sicuramente non è consigliabile se dobbiamo fare un box doccia.
Moving further on, we have here Savon Dur, which is also natural, with more absorption and minor shininess.
Qualche assorbimento in più, ma abbiamo un pochino di lucidità in meno, quindi la variabile è in questo senso.
Finally, we have MURO NATURALE. Here it is. We dampen it and we see full absorption because the product transpires completely, providing a naturalness guarantee.
Abbiamo un prodotto che traspira completamente. Questo dà la garanzia della naturalità.
So we have this product, MURO NATURALE, which has different performances depending on the protection we wish to apply.
Ma ha diverse prestazioni in base alla protezione che noi gli diamo.
So have a good MURO NATURALE to all.